I've got a grade 7 lesson for you all about manipulating surds. So there's 6 rules to learn. Multiplication. So if you had the square root of 2 times by, that is a multiplication sign, times by the square root of 3, it equals the square root of 6. It's not very hard, you just times the numbers. Next is division. So if I had the square root of 8 over the square root of 2. This is the same as the square root of 8 over 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, so it's equal to the square root of 4. The third one splits into 2, but I'm going to kind of do it as 1. So you can only add surds if they have the same number in these. So A plus B will not add or subtract unless A equals B. Okay? So the next one is squaring. So if you had A plus the square root of B, this is basic quadratics though, squared, you need to write it out twice. This does not equal A squared plus B. You have to write it out properly and factorize, so write both brackets out and do eyebrows and smiles like you normally would. So let's show a minus one. So if you had 2 square root of 4 minus the square root of 4, then it equals the square root of 4, because you can only minus like terms. It's kind of like fractions in that sense. And finally, this is probably one of the most important ones. It's called rationalizing. Now you cannot divide by a surd because they're not imaginary numbers, but they're kind of along that wavelength. So to rationalize, all we do is times the bottom and the top by the bottom, because then you're getting rid of the denominator. So you need to times this by the square root of b, and you need to times the bottom by the square root of b. So rationalize, this equals, it equals a times b over b. This rationalization is very important in the higher grades like 9, so you need to kind of get it down. So you just multiply the bottom and the top by the bottom. That's all you need to know on manipulating surds for grade 7. Thank you.